Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This spread is going to be for Cindy. Cindy, thank you for being a patron this month. I'm excited because this is her first custom spread that I'm going to be making for her. So yeah, very excited to make this, especially since it is a Halloween spread. And I have these super cute stickers from Amber Plans Her Day. They are from Fall Memories Volume 2 sticker book. There's these two sheets right here. I was actually going to save these for myself, but then I decided I don't really need them for my spreads. So I want to use them for Cindy's. So I'm going to use these. They're super cute. I love them. I love the pink and the orange and black. So I'm going to go with these. I already started pulling the stickers from this sheet. I have some washi that I think will pair well. And then I have all these other books to get boxes and quotes and different things, since really the only thing that I'm probably going to pull from that book from Amber is the decorative stickers. But yeah, look how cute these are. These little houses and the ghosts, the candy. It's too adorable. So let me start this off. I'm trying to think if I should just do the heart one or if I should, kind of want to just do the heart one. This washi is from Simply Gilded. I got it a few years ago. I really like the Simply Gilded washi. It's very nice quality washi. I think I got this from a Halloween collection too. Okay, I think I'm gonna just do top and bottom. Just get the washi down first. The only thing I don't like about this washi is it rolls differently than my other washi. Like, I'm used to it being like I can roll it out with my right hand, but I can't. Okay, and then over here. Here. And then I'll do the top over here. All right, so that is it for the washi for now. I think this is the only washi I'm gonna add, but I don't know, we'll see. All right, so for the houses, I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do this. I think I want to do one in the middle, maybe, and then on the bottom. Okay, on this one, I'll do both of these on the bottom. And then this one, oh, it fits perfectly. Well, almost perfectly. How cute is that? Love it. All right, let me grab some boxes. So I pulled Autumn Boxes 2.0 and Spring Boxes 2.0 because there's orange and then a pink in here. So let me go in the orange. I'm gonna grab, yeah, this is a good orange, okay. So I'm gonna grab orange, put it over here. Box. Oh, that fits perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to use this box to kind of put this on top. And this will go here. Love it. And then, oh, let me layer a box on top. Like an orange box would be good. Do this square. And let's do some of these spider webs. Cute, cute, cute. All right, and then I need to get some boxes over here. So I'm gonna grab a pink. Actually, I'm gonna grab this big one. I like a double box on the weekend. This will go here. And then do this orange one. And then I got this cute little ghosty. I like these little candies too. I'll have to find somewhere to put the candies. All right, and then let's see. Oh, and I have this page too. I didn't grab anything from this one yet. But we have some cute little bats, more little ghosts. So let me pull some bats. And do this one too. Cute, cute, cute. All right, I have more spider webs. I think, let me add in some like some quotes and stuff first before I add in more. So I'm gonna go in here and see what I have. If I have like boxes or something I can put like quotes. That one's not bad. That's the wrong kind of pink. Okay, so this is a maybe. Let me look in here first. Actually, I don't think the pink is right in this one. The orange is not terrible. Actually, it's the wrong kind of orange too. I mean, the pink's not bad now that I'm looking at it. I'm gonna come back to this, but I think maybe this one might work. Okay, let's put some of these spider webs down. I'll put one up here. And then maybe another, I should put another ghost. This one's cute. I think I want to put a little hat. Which hat? It's cute. All right, and then I do like the little candies. Should I add candies? Don't like it there. Can put in the middle there. All right, cool. Let me add in some more boxes. So I'm just grabbing some more pink boxes that I can add around the spread, just for more function. Oh, let me grab an orange box too. I have checklist too. I think I might do checklist. Actually, I think I want pink. Okay, do I have checklists in here? I do, okay. And this book actually has like the half checklist, which is nice. I might use the half checklist. These. So I can do one here. Oops. Oh, it's so crooked. You know what? I'm gonna bring it down a little bit more. Okay, and then let me get an orange one. This one has half checklist too. These orange ones. And I feel like I need one here. I think I want one here too. See what else I got in here. Okay, I got this big spider, but I don't think I want to do the big spider. And I could do bullet points. I think I'm going to do bullet points. So I'm going to grab these orange ones. I'm like constantly checking, make sure I'm still filming. That always scares me that I'm like, that's gonna stop filming. Do one there. Okay. Cool. It's so cute. I think I wanna add this. Let's see how this will look. Do I? No, it's a little too harsh. Okay, never mind. Scratch that idea. Let's see. Maybe quotes. I have orange quotes. Those are really bright. This pink is not, I don't know if this pink is right. I mean, it's not terrible. I actually like that. Okay. Hello today. I'm gonna put a little happy day here. No. Let's do it here. Okay. No, not that orange. Okay. I wonder how this will look. Not my favorite. Okay, forget that one. Note to self? No. I feel like I need something for the black. Okay, I like that. Okay, I think that's it. Cute. All right, so super happy with how this turned out. Again, this is from Fall Memories Volume 2, along with some other books. I'll try my best to link everything. But that's gonna be it for this spread. Cindy, I hope you like your spread. I'm super excited to send this out for you so you can use this. Oh, actually, this is the week before Halloween, so yeah, but it's a super cute spread. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.